Yo, what should I do with this one? I don't know what to do, to be honest. I think confidence is not complete. Not where I can do the offers. No, I can't do them. Bears be bears. No, the wing. I cannot do that one. Now. I think, ooh, that's cat ticket chance. You know, let's do this. One. So let's name this one. This is fine. I'm gonna choose this. Take everything out. By the way, I got Mohawk Cat and Ramen Cat this video. I mean, not that video a couple of days ago. Sorry, I didn't let you know that. But who should I pick? Double Ramen could be good at 5 seconds. I also got him to level 30, but I'm trying to get Cameraman Cat. I just need one more purple and 2 green cat fruit, 1 purple seed, 1 more purple cat fruit seed, and then 2 green cat fruits. Don't know how long that'll take. Maybe on the weekend I can do that because, you know, this guy's kind of trash anyway. But it's a good thing to have, I guess. I literally don't know what to put. Rare cats. Oh, Moss Island in Paris. Yeah, that. Commando will also go in. Who else should I put? Yeah, I have a ton of cats. Let's put Rich Cat just for the combo. Oh yeah, and also, I forgot to tell you where I got Toga Luga and then Toga and Taslam. So let's put him in. You know, he's a good 15,000 damage attacker. But, yeah, that's not even 800 health. That's okay though. All the Nico units aren't that good, really. I don't care about you, but let's put you up. Thank you, very sure KO and hit that. What area? Like Cinder attack, okay. Put you out and just spam them, I guess. Because the mouse size can do a ton of damage no matter what it is. Like a ton. Quick damage. Not slow damage, only quick damage. Do that. Already know about the mouse size. Ramen Cat can destroy myself. Like he's not gone. I think it's like Ramen Cat is doing all the work, but look at damn it. Oh, we can sleep through this server, dude. I am sleeping through this server. This is actually the fastest time I've done this server. But we have like 30 Maasai cats and like 20, 19 ramens. And I got the cat ticket. Let's go. So what I hope to get a player pack, except for like or axe cat, or we got cat. Oh yeah, and I don't want. I hate this cat capsule so much because if I go to my research, it's level 7. This is literally level plus 9. Like, dude, so many things. Like plus 4, plus 6, plus 4, plus 7, plus 9, plus 3, plus 4, and then a plus 6. Yeah, Mr. T, not even level 20. I'll probably get him in the same hill, plus 4 too. Not that close to him. So these are the 3 that I need. Brave, sexy red cat, or a cat, or axe, horse, and cat. I don't even put any more than that. But I think why not? Let's do treasures. Oh, these Indian pearl. I think it starts with India. I don't know. Where could that? Okay. To Australia, Singapore, Maldives, India. To Australia. We just need 3 treasures for me. Or something. I need like a big, spammable stone cat. I just stole it with myself. Something like that. Don't need to speed up. Let's go. Also I can easily take on this stage. Well, I can easily take on really any stage, can you? Yeah. That's why later, I'm gonna get a young tree sometime later. Probably not anytime sooner though, because I'm more focusing on better ones like candy. So. Got the superior, baby, let's go! The next one is Singapore. We have to get the normal one first. So. Should I use my speed up? I'll use it later. Hold up, I'll use it on this one. Cause like, there's like nothing. It's like a really long level, and you can make a ton of money quick with the speed up. And like we're already immediately just rushing this level. I really didn't waste my speed up, and I feel like this is a waste of my time. Spamming all outside. So right now, so. But yeah, Singapore down. Oh, nothing. Wait, no, there's a different one that I could use. Get him outside. Use giraffe. Cosnor, but he's faster. So, what do I guess? Probably only gonna do like the quick ones and stuff. Like the ones, like, no, sorry. I'm gonna only do it until my energy runs out. So I don't actually know when, because I have like 300 energy right now. Don't know what I'll do with that. Probably nothing important. I'm trying to beat some Stories of Legends chapters, and it's going pretty well. I've beaten like 2. Yesterday I beat 2. But I'm stuck on this one. Directions are kind of a problem for me. Not for a lot of other people, but only because directions do like 5,000 damage. And that's a lot of damage on a 74,000. And my main attack is like Hogan and stuff. They can't handle that much power. The Hogan does get buffed after one knockback. It's strengthened, which is awesome. But, you know, still a bit, you know what I mean. But that's okay. So, I think after we get this, we should have a worker count wallet up. More, right? Yeah. Here's a worker count wallet thing. There you go. Well, I just feel like my speed up doing right now. All of these stages are very easy. But some of them, like in the chapter 3 thing, it'll take so much energy. I need like 100 generators. So I need like 58 generators. If I want to do those stages. Finally. I'll come back to that later. So, there's some different stages going on. No, they're not different that I showed you, but one is one stage, and that's what's in it. This one is, they all were easy until this. Let's try. Here's Mona, Wildcat, Sexy Life Cat, Brave Cat actually. And also Dragon Cat, of course. For specials, gonna use Crazy Paris Woman, Pottery and Goddess for the Ubers, and yeah, let's go, let's try. I don't want to do this stage. I just felt like meat shield and all that. That's what I'm most worried about. 4 dice and let's do that. Okay. Let's get you there. Oh god, I have to say that. It's actually going to die. Like that thing is okay. Okay, we could try this. We were doing alright. Okay. This one is better. Oh wow. You can actually do this too. I do not like this at all. I knew this word would work. It would do some things. I've never looked up steps. Just go in those land later. See what I can do, make some changes. And then that's all I gotta do. Change up the strategy. Use one strategy doesn't work, then try a different strategy. Because that seems to work quite a bit. And not even the first kill of the world. How many sticks of rodeo? That's gonna be difficult. Let's check that out. Okay, rodeo night. Rodeo night battle caps. Okay, let's check. So it's the 8th and final stage. God dang it! How am I supposed to do that? I've never fought JK Bun. I'm gonna cry, bro. I mean, now I'm getting to the point where I won't be able to do some of these stages. Or most of these stages I won't be able to complete, actually. Because of enemies like this. JK Bun. If I don't do that, JK Bun into this. He is. He's never been introduced to it. I never met my good old friend Bun but red for him. I'm kind of scared. Jesus, no. Holy, he is punching my guys. My character so much. Oh my good god. How strong is this dude? What the heck? Oh, I need to kill this rhino. ASAP. Die, rhino! Yes! Rhino dead. Rhino dead. Yay. It's not like it'll hurt me. Because the rhino died. This thing that would hurt me. Anti-red units. Oh my goodness, God. First time actually being introduced to this dude, so what's up? How are you doing today, Bun? You still like looting another characters even in your red form. Now you're punching right behind it? How really dare you? How much manners did your mother teach you? You have no manners at all. Jesus. 34%. Okay. Well, new enemy met. I already hate him. Well, that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys later. Peace.